Hello everyone, I am Dattatranikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda, new day, new topic. And our today's topic is instrument cable schedule, JB wiring diagram, part 12F. This is a new series and today we are going to cover details of instrument cable schedule and JB wiring diagram. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel and watch all the engineering videos created specifically to understand each and every topic related to instrumentation and control, and so that it will help you to maintain the continuity between various topics. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel eFunda. Let's begin with our today's topic, instrument cable schedule, JB wiring diagram, part 12F. Understanding of instrument cable schedule, JB wiring diagram. This deliverable includes the information on the type of cable, cable length, and a junction box detail. The instrument cable schedule and JB wiring detail are to be discussed today in this video. Instrument cable schedule. The instrument cable schedule is a document containing a list of instrument cables. This document shows the cables as well as the gland required for each instrument or connection to those particular instrument. Instrument junction boxes and wiring schedule. A junction box is an enclosure that is used to interconnect the cable between field devices and the control room. The junction box enclose terminal strips for cable termination. Those are the cable which we are going to reflect in the cable schedule are to be terminated on the terminal strip inside the junction boxes so as to have the field connection. Instrument cable schedule. This instrument cable schedule is a document containing a list of instrument cable. This document shows the cable as well as the glands required for each instrument or connection. The information in the cable schedule should consist of 1. Cable number, 2. Cable type specification, 3. Cable size, 4. Cable length, 5. 4. From and destination to termination description, 6. Cable gland type and size for each incoming cable. The input required for instrument cable schedule, PNIDs, instrument index and IO list, instrumentation and control design basis, instrument cable layout, interconnection block diagram. These are the inputs required for preparing the instrument cable schedule. Instrument cable schedule. The cable schedule is nothing but a systematic way of summarizing the total number of cables involved in a project. This format is not specific and it varies from organization to organization. For example, a two-pair cable from a temperature element to temperature transmitter and from the transmitter to the junction boxes and so on. Similar signals are routed through dedicated junction boxes and interface cabinet specific for that type of signal. For example, analog inputs are routed via dedicated junction boxes, that is analog input, analog output, digital input, digital output, etc. These are the signals specifically allocated or dedicatedly routed through specific type of junction boxes. The signal or any type of objects are also characterized according to their X class type, namely intrinsically safe, that is IS, or non-intrinsically safe, that is non-IS. A separation of a cable on cable tray is also important. So this is how the cable schedule is containing all this information so that it will be useful for while laying of these required cable. Now moving on to instrument junction boxes and a wiring schedule. A junction box is designed to suit the environmental conditions where the box is installed, as the certification of the Ingress Protection Code, that is IP, and hazardous area protection which conform to the classified area. See figure below where one can see the junction boxes. A junction box consists of the following parts. 1 number, terminal block comprising terminal strip for the cable connection. 2 number, cable plate for non-metallic junction boxes for cable gland earthing. 3. An insulated earth bus bar for overall cable screen termination. That is optional. Drain wire could be connected to the strip. 4. Breather drain plug. 5. Mounting rail complete with end bracket. This is all one can see in a reference figure where the junction boxes with the terminal boxes, cable glands and cable entries are shown. One can see instrument junction boxes with their wiring schedule. One can see the figure where the junction boxes is shown. Below the sketch of the junction boxes is shown where mounting rail, terminal strip, end bracket, earthing conduit plate, bus bar, earthing lug, breather drain, etc. are shown. Similarly, in other picture, one can see where the terminal strip is connected and the number of pairs are connected. That is pair 1, pair 2, pair 3, pair 4, pair 5, pair 6 are the 6 numbers branch cable are coming from field instrument to the junction boxes. And similarly from junction box onward, one can see main cable one number, that is a 6 pair cable number from field JB to control room, that is going to the marshalling boxes. This is how the wiring is done in the junction boxes. Now we will see sample instrument cable schedule where one can find all the required detail which we have discussed so far. Now we will start on the sample review of the cable schedule where multi cable number is specified, drum number, length of the cable, type of the cable, size of the cable, overall diameter of the cable, color of the cable, control room and JB location. These are the details will be typically available for one item. And in actual cable schedule, one can see the columns, that is a local as well as the satellite rack room. Now we will take one example, that is from and to, where LT is connected to the junction boxes, that is LT 181307 is connected to JBN-1001, where the junction box terminal numbers are 1, 2, 3 and type of cable is paired 1 and the total length from instrument to junction box is a 50 meter. Then multi cable triad number, that is a 1 number, and similarly the satellite rack room details will be furnished later based on the available details from the system vendor, that is a marshalling box, IO cabinet, panel and other details. So this is how the cable schedule is prepared, where one can get the information from field instrument to junction boxes, from junction boxes to multi-pair cable to the marshalling box and further to the IO cabinet and then to the system cabinet. This is how the cable details from field to the control room is available in a summarized manner. That document is called as instrument cable schedule. Please study this cable schedule thoroughly so that you will have command while preparing the signal cable schedule. Instrument cable schedule JBwiring diagram, reference document, instrument index and IO list, reference drawing, instrument cable layout and interconnection block diagram. Purpose of instrument cable schedule. A cable schedule is a reference for material takeoff, that is MTO of a cable for procurement. However, cable lengths shown in this document are only approximate and indicative. Therefore, there should be always a contingency for a material procurement to allow fair for cable cutting, unexpected barrier in the field, riser, etc. The cable schedule is nothing but a systematic way of summarizing the total number of cable involved in a project. This is how we have seen how the instrument cable schedule and JB wiring diagrams are being prepared and the content of this document. Similarly, for better understanding, one should review all instrument index and IO list so that they will get idea the number of cables going from field to the control room. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, instrument cable schedule and JBwiring diagram. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, and you can find our channel details as follows. If you are new to our channel, that is our YouTube channel eFunda, then subscribe to our channel eFunda and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest notification of upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Similarly, you can follow us on a Instagram page. Similarly, you can follow us on our Facebook page as well. And keep watching our channel eFunda for various topics related to engineering and a project. With this, we can assure you this will help you to better your understanding on engineering and a project topic. Keep watching our channel eFunda. Thanks. Watch our channel for new day, new topic.